Commuters trooped back to the office in England on Thursday, with public transport visibly busier after the government scrapped restrictions imposed to combat the Omicron coronavirus variant. The return to Plan A measures ditching legal requirements for face coverings and shelving vaccine passports. This comes as the number of positive COVID-19 cases has fallen sharply from record levels. Let's take a look at some of their reactions.
Yeah, it feels like it's been ages. It's still a little bit scary. I always keep a mask on me still anyway, but it's a massive relief because it's been, nearly 2 years, and being trapped inside or being restricted outside, it's just been exhausting, especially for someone my age. So yeah, it's a big relief. It's still a bit scary, but no, it's nice.
I don't think it's back to normal. I think my concern is that there's still a virus in town, and I'm not so sure people will take it seriously now. So I have a mask. I'll be using it all day when I'm in an appropriate place.
Yeah, it's strange. I feel like it's a little bit too soon, actually. I'm from Edinburgh and we still wear masks, so it is a bit odd to see people not wearing masks in London. I do think it's a bit early.
And I think a lot of people, in my observation, a lot of people have just got fed up with it now and fed up with having to, not have the complete freedom they were used to for many years, having to, wear masks, keep their distance, etc. But then again, I do like the idea of a culture where we wash our hands a bit more thoroughly than maybe we did before.
Infection rates have plateaued in recent days and are still high. More than 100,000 confirmed cases were recorded on Wednesday. But the National Health Service is no longer facing imminent crisis. Prime Minister Boris Johnson said restrictions could be lifted due to the success of our booster rollout, the tireless work of the NHS, and amazing public response. But he urged more people to get vaccinated and warned the pandemic is not over. Everyone should remain cautious. Limits on visitors to care homes in England will also be scrapped from next week, with residents able to have unlimited visits from family and friends. Businesses will still be able to impose restrictions, but they will no longer be a legal requirement. On public transport in London, for example, face coverings are still mandatory, but secondary school students will no longer have to wear masks. Those who test positive for coronavirus must still self-isolate for a minimum of 5 days. Johnson said he also hopes to scrap those rules when they expire on March 24.